how to turn on or turn off live speech on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and in here, tap on Live Speech. In here at the top, tap on the Live Speech toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. In here, when it is switched on, Live Speech speaks aloud what you type using the speaker and encodes. And here's a triple click the side button to show live speech. So on the side here, you triple click 1, 2, 3. This will open up the accessibility shortcuts. And from here, you can tap on live speech and then you can use live speech from here.
From it jungles. Hello there. Hello there. Hello.
And you can add in the phrase as well as you can type in whatever you want and it will speak out.
Kvagu.
And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.